You've made it to step 4. This is the final step and you're about to import your data so you and your team can start smiling and dialing. So let's talk about step 4 here. Step 4 is a review step. It allows you to just kind of review how the data from your file is about to be imported. Across the top, you're going to see all the PhoneBurner fields that we had mapped in step 2 and the data from our document that's going to be imported into those fields once we confirm that we're happy with the mapping. However, if for whatever reason you see something is not quite right here, you can always click on the no, let me try again, and that'll take you back to step 2, so you can work through step 2, 3, and then back to the review page to do the import. However, I'm happy with my import, so I'm going to go ahead and click on yes, please import, and the system will start to process the file based off of what we told it to do. Now, you don't have to stay on this page. You can move away from this page, and the system will continue to process it with or without you. Now you can see my data has been successfully imported. I can click here to view the contacts, so I'm going to open that in a new tab. You can see the contacts were added to the Hot Leads folder. If I open up one of the records, you can see it has the Hot Leads tag. These contacts will also show up in my Hot Leads Saved Search. And all my custom fields have been created, and the data from those contacts has been mapped into those fields. Now let's jump back to the import page, and we can click on the Previous Imports button here, and you can see our import has been completed, and we can view the import log. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to import data into the PhoneBurner system. I appreciate you taking time to watch this video. We wish you the best, and we look forward to seeing you get more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. Have a great day, and happy dialing.